Hello, my name is Mohsen Sazegara. I am an Iranian opposition politician and a fellow researcher in Bush Institute working with Democracy Division and Liberty Collection. What I want to talk about is chicken politics in Iran. During the last 1 month, the price of chicken was one of the most important issues in the internal politics in Iran. After increase of the price of chicken, there were crises everywhere, long queues for low price chicken in every town and every city. And in some cities like Neyshabur in Khorasan province, northeast of Iran, there were demonstrations. Many politicians, many Friday praying imams, many clerics started to talk about chicken and told people do not consume chicken. Even some of them told that chicken is forbidden according to religion. And there were lots of jokes about that, and lots of sense of humor of Iranians made lots of sentences and jokes about the chicken. Anyway, this simple event was a good indication about the economic crisis which is on the way. After 7 years of government of Ahmadinejad, under commands of the leader of Iran, Ayatollah Khamenei, now the country confronts a big and very deep economic crisis. High rate of inflation and at the same time a deep recession, which economists call it stagflation, gradually is going to cover all activities in Iran. The economists believe that in this year the inflation rate might be around 200%, and the unemployment rate from about 30% right now will be increased to maybe more than 50% at the end of this Iranian year. So in next steps in Iran, we think, Iranian activists, political activists think that this economic crisis will bring the lower class to the scene to join the middle class of Iran against this regime, demanding democracy, human rights, and change of regime in next steps. Thank you.